the day after Thanksgiving, which means I have zero energy or desire to do any makeup today. So instead, I have plenty of energy and desire to talk shit about some recent beauty releases. So let's talk about it. Alright, we are starting off strong with Maybelline. They released their new Sky High Mascara that's now available in Gold Glitz. This right now is available exclusively in Europe, if I'm understanding correctly. It's just a beautiful sparkly color. It looks absolutely stunning. I think it looks beautiful. It's a glitter mascara, to be clear, that can be worn alone or as a final layer over black or colored mascara for a sparkling finish. The gold shimmer formula gives lashes sparkling shimmer with endless dimension, perfect for festive occasions where you want a sensational look that really shines. This also has the Sky High Flex Tower brush that provides optimal application, distributes the glitter evenly, and makes it easy to build intensity without clumping. This is marked as coming soon to other countries, and I think this is super fun. I like that brands are coming out with a bit more colorful products, or even if they're just more colorful variations of products they already have. I appreciate that. I think it's fun. I'm so beyond bored of the whole like clean girl makeup. That's synonymous with being boring. Like, if you just want to be boring and lazy, that's fine. Cool, but for the rest of us, we like fun, colorful, exciting makeup, so I'm here for that. Next up, we have a launch from NYX Cosmetics. This looks very interesting to me. When I'm talking about like colorful makeup, this is kind of that. So this is available now in Europe. This is their Buttermelt Sticks. These are glow boosting highlighters. These are described as buttery smooth, long wearing highlighter sticks that are infused with a nourishing butter and coconut butter for a seamless glazed glow. It has a buttery soft texture that glides effortlessly onto your skin. It gives you apparently 8 hours of wear, non-creasing, non-greasy formula, vegan and cruelty free, and it has 14 shades. I don't want to read all these 14 shades because that's a lot and y'all aren't going to want to sit here and listen to it all. So I'll just put it up on the screen for you guys. So this is marked as coming soon to their website and retailers, and I'm really excited for this. So if it's available in Europe now, does that mean that it's coming to retailers and online for the rest of us? To be determined. Now, one thing about me, I love Korean skincare, which means I absolutely love Medicube. I've been using them for a hot minute since my friend Ellie Dawson, the bestie, fellow YouTuber, all the good things, recommended them to me, and I've just absolutely been obsessed with them. So I'm excited every time I see a new Medicube product. So they just dropped the new No Cast Just Glow Collagen Sunscreen. So this says it's going to protect the skin even in the cold with a flawless dewy glow with makeup or without makeup. This has an SPF 50 broad spectrum that shields your skin from UVA and UVB rays, not only in summer but through cold, dry winter days, which is of course important. Helps to keep your skin hydrated, smooth, and protected with soothing moisture. No white cast, it claims, but we know how brands like to claim that it doesn't have white cast and then you look like Casper the Friendly Fucking Ghost. This claims that it's non-greasy, non-comedogenic, and will help the formula absorb quickly without clogging pores. It also doubles as a primer for a smooth natural makeup base or delivers a healthy glow on bare skin. It also says that it blends seamlessly. Again, to be determined. From what I'm seeing, this is regularly priced at $21.80, which that's okay. I mean, it's a Korean beauty product. They're typically a higher price point because they're typically better. This product has collagen and peptides to firm and smooth the skin for a supple, bouncy complexion. It has cica and niacinamide to soothe stressed skin and refine clarity, which I love that. Hyaluronic acid and ceramides to deeply hydrate your skin, strengthen the barrier to protect against dryness, irritation, and inflammation. All amazing things, especially those of you, I live in Florida, so I don't deal with like super cold, winters or anything, but for those of you who do, this would probably be something great for you. Next up, we have a drop from Supergoop, which this brand never appeals to me. Like, it seems so boring to me, but that doesn't matter. I mean, it kind of does because it's my video, my opinion matters, but I'm just saying it's really boring, so whatever. This is their new Dew Screen Hydrating Primer with SPF 50. This is a hydrating primer that drenches your skin, grips your makeup, and leaves you with a dewy finish that also has an ultra light feel that's absorbing quickly with apparently, again, no white cast. Again, to be determined. This claims it's gonna give you all day continuous hydration and it retails for $38. To me, this is not a product that screams to me. I have zero interest, but let me know if you do. Also, while you're leaving that comment, make sure you hit the like on this video. Make sure you hype this video up. If you don't know, hyping a video on YouTube is a newer feature that when a creator puts out a new video, that you can hype it up within 7 days of the video going up. Basically what it does is it attributes points to the video and it can help it appear or move up this new leaderboard so that hopefully new people can see the video. Basically, it's meant to help creators have their videos do a little bit better or be seen by more people because YouTube is ridiculously hard. But anyway, this product will be available December 7th on Ulta.com, December 8th online, and Ulta in-store on December 28th. Next up, we have a huge drop from e.l.f. Cosmetics. So tons of new products. They have clearly been busy. So let's go through everything that they're dropping right now. So they have a soft glam satin concealer. It's a lightweight hydrating concealer that brightens dark circles, conceals redness, blurs imperfections with a medium buildable coverage and a creamy satin finish. It says it's going to help to prevent caking, creasing, and fading, and it's available in 36 shades. There's a soft glam brightening corrector, which is lightweight, long-lasting. It's a creamy color corrector. It's going to help to even out your skin tone, dark circles, brighten blemishes. It's available in 3 shades, which are dark pink, light pink, and white. There's the Halo Glow Silky Powder Highlighter. That doesn't seem exciting to me. This is an ultra silky powder that blends seamlessly into the skin for a radiant natural glow for a smooth, silky finish, and it's giving you a lit from within look. This says it's going to last all day, and it's available in only 5 shades. Then we have the Glow Reviver Slip Stick. That's a mouthful. This says it's a shine of lip oil that meets the color intensity of a lipstick. It's enriched with nourishing ingredients, medium strength, buildable color, and a soft natural shine. This is available in only 10 shades. Those items are marked as coming soon on the retailer and website. They also have the Finest Flight Glitter Eyeshadow, which is a sheer glittery eyeshadow topper that's packed with microfine glitter particles that can be worn alone or layered over other eyeshadow for a long-lasting shine. This says it's available in 4 shades. We have Hibiscus, Certified Platinum, Tantalize, and So Metal. Those ones are marked as available now. Overall, I think this launch looks pretty exciting. I mean, there's a lot of different color variations of all these different products overall. I like the different textures. I like the different types of products. I think that's super exciting. I'm here for it. I'd like to try some stuff. Next up, we have a fragrance drop from a brand called Skylar. Never heard of them, but I'm interested. So this is called Ski Bunny. The notes are going to be top notes of peppermint, graham cracker, and fresh strawberry. Sold. Literally, you have me sold right there. The heart notes are marshmallow, praline, solar floral bouquet, and the base notes are toasted woods, creamy musks, and cashmere woods. This will be available sometime in December on their website. I am here for this 100%. All of that sounds amazing. It sounds delectable. It sounds confectionery. I'm here for it. I'm here for it. Next up, we apparently have an entirely brand new beauty brand. So this is called Fell. Never heard of them. I mean, they're brand new, but like I've not heard of it till right this literal moment. So they have come out with kissable lip products called Kissy Lips. These are hydrating, high shine lip and cheek balms by Fell. Okay, cool. I'm here for it. So these are a nourishing balm that instantly coats the lips with hydration for a comfy, cushiony finish. This is a 2-in-1 for application on the lips and cheeks. It says it's buildable from a sheer to a medium color and a high shine finish with a custom lip applicator. I think the packaging is pretty cute. Obviously you can see the lips going on. I think that's fun. It's kind of whimsical. I like the shades. I see a lot of deeper, richer shades, which I think are stunning. Right now, this is available in 8 different shades and retails for $22. These will be available on December 13th on their website and Sephora. Okay, we have one last drop I want to talk about. So this product is already released as of like a week ago at the time of watching this video. So this is from Dose of Colors. They have new shades of their multi-use shimmer sticks. These are for your eyes, lips, and your face. This is a water-based formula that delivers a refreshing cooling effect and a sparkling diamond-like shine with just one swipe. There are 3 new shades. They are Twinkle, Frost, and Sunset. I think all 3 of these are stunning. I definitely would love to try out Frost right away. I think Twinkle, it's kind of giving like a, what do you call that? Like a rose gold. I like that a lot. Frost is a beautiful silver. Sunset is a dazzling gold. All 3 of these are so beautiful in of themselves. I think that these will be especially great for the holiday season, but honestly, I would wear these year round, not gonna lie. These are currently available for $28, which I think that's a bit too much for what the product is, but like, what can you do? I'm very pleasantly surprised with this week's little recap because I feel like everything we talked about for the most part, except for Supergoop, was pretty good. I'm pretty excited. I'm feeling festive with these products. I'm feeling excited about these products. I like the variety. I like the color variety, the texture variety, the product variety. I love the variety. Variety is the spice of life. Please let me know what we've talked about today that you are excited about. What are you disappointed about? What would you like to see in the coming weeks or months, or just honestly before the end of the year, because the end of the year is right around the corner. So let me know what you guys want to see from some of these brands. With that being said, that's all I have in today's weekly beauty recap. If you enjoyed it, please make sure you give it a big thumbs up down below. Don't forget to click that big red subscribe button so you can join my YouTube family, and I'll see y'all in the next one.